From the available options, as soon as you decide one option, all other options will fall away. I would say every option that you have will have both the sides. There are some advantages to it and there are some disadvantages to it. The design of life is such that from the available options, as soon as you decide one option, all other options will fall away. You know, in funnier way of expressing, when they say homicide, what is homicide? It is killing human beings. Pesticide is killing pests. Decide is killing options. What I mean is, as soon as you choose an option, all other options that are available suddenly become redundant. Now, every option has both sides, some pluses, some minuses, some advantages, some disadvantages. So, many times in the process of deciding, you want the advantage, but many times the mind says, I don't want the disadvantage, which I am saying is not possible. You choose things for the advantage side, and you will have to be ready to take the disadvantage side. That is what wisdom is. Also, as soon as you decide one option, as soon as you choose one option, all other options will fall away. And they also have an advantageous side. And your mind sometimes, almost slimily, doesn't want to miss those advantages of the options that you will have to drop. I'm saying, evaluate what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of every option that is available. And instinctively, you will know which option is the best, which has the highest advantage, least disadvantage. I'm saying in that process of choosing, listen to your inner instinct. That divine energy guides you through your inner voice. I'm saying listen to that voice.